Did you know that cheeses are classified based on their fat content? Today, we're going to review the different categories. Remember, always check the label before buying. Let's start with fresh cheese. This type of cheese, like ricotta or cottage cheese, is one of the lightest. It contains less than 20% fat. If you're watching your fat intake, this is the ideal option: light, healthy, and delicious. Next, we have processed cheeses, those that are easy to spread or melt. They usually contain between 40 and 50% fat. Convenient, but a bit richer, so enjoy them in moderation if you're following a low-fat diet. Now, let's move on to soft cheeses, like camembert or brie. They are creamy, indulgent, and contain about 45% fat. Their flavor is irresistible, but they're a bit heavier in fat, so be mindful if you're watching your weight. Finally, we have hard cheeses like Gruyere or Parmesan. These cheeses are more concentrated and rich, with about 45 to 55% fat. A real treat grated over your dishes, but again, it's an option to savor in moderation. If you're looking to reduce your fat consumption, definitely go for fresh cheese, light and perfect for your diet. But whichever cheese you choose, make sure you read the label for the most accurate information. And which cheese do you prefer? Let us know in the comments.